Alright, so something I'm pretty excited about just came in the mail. I think it's in this box. I ripped off the label so I don't dox myself, but let's go ahead and get it open. I've already cut the sides, now we just gotta... It is a blob of bubble wrap. Alright, let's get this tape cut. There is a ton of tape. Alright, I think we're almost there. Alright, and you probably already know from the title, it's a Zune. I actually had multiple Zunes as like a teenager. Anyway, yeah, so this is, I believe, a pink 4 gig Zune. I think I had a 4 gig and an 8 gig, which are like this. They use flash and are smaller, kind of like an iPod Nano. And then eventually I had a big red 30 gig with the hard drive that went through the washing machine and died. And then I got an iPod Touch after that. But yeah, I've always, since that one went through the washing machine, which should have been like 2009, so almost 15 years ago, I've always wanted a Zune again. So I guess that's finally happening. I just got the 4 gig because it was cheap. 20 bucks. The listing did say it needs a new battery, but it did say it works, so it should work if I plug it in. I ordered a new battery, it hasn't come yet, but I'm too excited to wait another like 3-4 days to make this video, so let's do it. It's also nice. 20 bucks gets me a box too. It's got the sides messed up, but the box other than that is in pretty good shape. Whoa, there it is! The Zune itself also seems to be in really good condition. Alright. Yeah, there are a little... Let's see if we can get this on the camera. There's a little bit of like smudges on the back here, but the rest of the back is in really good condition. And those might just be like something I can wipe off. We'll see. In the front, it's getting cold outside, so the screen has some like condensation, I think, because it's like close to freezing today, even though it's early October. Yeah, the touch thing, the buttons, like there's no like nicks or anything. This is in like perfect condition, and it comes with a cable that I think, yeah, it's even an original Zune branded cable, and the cable too is in like really good condition. Like, okay, it's got a little like bend here, it looks like, but man, this is just amazing condition for how old this is and for the price I paid. And we've even got the little manual. Oh my god, this has everything. Welcome to the social. Zune. Setup, zune.net/setup. I'm sure that website is long gone. I have looked into this though. It looks like people are able to get the Zune software working on like modern Windows 10, Windows 11, so I should be able to hopefully get that installed and working. I'm kind of surprised someone hasn't made like a third-party tool. I guess the Zune just isn't popular enough, like the iPod, for that to be a thing. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can get this piece of garbage turned on. Alright, I'm gonna pull a dank pods and not actually plug it into the wall. I've just got a 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Let's arm the nugget, as dank pod says. Alright. Oh! We got a little dim, I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. I think, yeah, little dim charge thing. The quick start guide said you hold, play, pause to power it on. Let's do that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to leave it plugged in for a bit. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn on. Probably gonna have to postpone this video, and then there's gonna be a jump cut to however long later when I get a battery replacement. Alright, so it's been a few days. I got the battery in the mail finally, and some bad news. I think the battery I ordered just is not compatible with this Zune or something. The reviews on the battery were mixed. They were either like 5 stars, works perfectly, or 1 star, doesn't work at all. So with the original battery this came with, when I held down the play button, you would get a little battery indicator saying it needs to be charged. Now the screen is black and it just stays black. The video guide I watched for replacing the battery, and yeah, I didn't film any of that since it required soldering. I did it at my dad's house with, this is the first time I've actually soldered anything. It's not that hard, but yeah, because it was my first time soldering, I don't even have a soldering iron. My dad has a really nice one, so I went over to his house to have him help me solder and everything, which is actually a pretty big help. But yeah, it seems like this battery just doesn't work for this Zune, or doesn't work. Anyway, the plan is now I'm going to try and order the battery that the guy used in the video I watched that showed replacing the battery. Pretty sure that's what I'm gonna do. Otherwise, I might just order one that's already been fixed. I do want to order a full size, 80 gig, and put a SSD in it eventually too. Yeah, for now the plan is just to try again with a different battery and hope it works. Yeah, anyway, this was a pretty disappointing outcome, but hopefully I'll have more content on this soon and get it actually working. But for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.